Hi everyone, welcome back to Faith and Flower. This is Robin. Well, Christmas is over for another year, so it's time to undecorate and reset our home for 2021. This cold, rainy day in January is the perfect time to take everything down, pack it away, and start cleaning up. So if you need some cleaning motivation, then this video is for you. After removing all of the Christmas decor and linens from the table, I want to give it a quick wipe down with one of my e-cloths just dampened with water. Then I'll reset the table with some nice, fresh, clean linens. These beautiful placemats and napkins were a gift from friends who brought them back from India, and I have enjoyed using them for the past couple of Januaries. If you guys have seen my January reset videos, you're probably familiar with them, but they match the colors in our kitchen and living room so well, and I always look forward to getting these out after Christmas. On our coffee table, I really love the display that I made this year. I like switching things up, using the things that I have, but recreating little vignettes and things like that throughout our home. So I'm going to modify this a little bit, minus some of the more Christmassy elements. But first I'm going to use my e-cloth extendable duster to give the table a good dusting. This black table shows everything. Before Christmas, I tucked our remote controls and a few other things that sort of get scattered all over the top of our coffee table on this tray on the shelf below, and I really like how that worked out. Everything was still accessible, but sort of out of sight, so I'm going to keep that going as well. Next, I removed all of the Christmas decor from our mantle and fireplace area. As I gathered up all of the decor, I piled it onto our kitchen island. That way when I bring out the boxes, I can decide which things I want to put where and pack everything up in a way that makes sense. In order to be able to pack up the stockings, I decided to label paper bags with everybody's name and then put each person's stocking contents inside. And that way they'll have all of their candy and goodies still accessible even after the Christmas decor is put away. I decided to clean each area as I undecorated it. That way, if I get interrupted and I have to stop in the middle, then at least those areas will be clean and good to go. Whenever I'm cleaning or organizing, I love to have some essential oils going in my diffuser, and I just received my new recipe box for January from Simply Earth. I can't wait to try out this Happy Dance diffuser blend and check out all of the other recipes in this month's box. The January box has amazing recipes for self-care, and it's a great way to start out the new year with a natural home. This month's oils are Ylang Ylang, which calms, uplifts, promotes skin health, and relieves pain. Also Bio Begone, which is a custom blend that is comparable to Purify by doTERRA and Purification by Young Living. Also Camphor, which supports respiration and soothes, which is perfect for those winter colds. And Lemon, which energizes, cleans, cools, stimulates, and uplifts. All of the oils at Simply Earth can be purchased individually, but with a recipe box, you get these 4 amazing oils, the recipes, and a lot of extra ingredients to help you make them. Plus, when you start your subscription service, which can be canceled at any time, you'll receive a big bonus box that contains tons of extras for making the recipes, bottling them, labeling them, and all of the carrier oils and everything that you will need. I love Simply Earth because their oils are 100% pure and they cost 1/3 of the major brands. And if you'd like to start a subscription of your own, you can use my code FAITHANDFLOURFREE to get a $40 gift card. You can find my code and my link to Simply Earth in the description box and start a subscription that will get you going on using essential oils to create a natural home for 2021. Along with all of the Christmas decor, I'm packing up those sort of Christmas scents that I've been enjoying throughout the holidays, and I'm really enjoying this Happy Dance diffuser blend. The combination of camphor, lemon, and ylang ylang are a really nice, crisp, fresh winter scent. We have a metal roof on our house, and I could hear something happening outside as I was packing up our nativity scene, so I went in the backyard to discover ice pellets falling. We live in Texas, so snow is not something that normally happens here, so this is a good substitution, even though it only lasted for a little while. With the wintry sound on our roof, I continued packing up everything I had gathered on our island. Last, the tree. There were a few presents still underneath, so I put those away and then started taking out all of the Christmas ornaments and lights. And because we got an artificial tree this year, that has to come down too. And if you're wondering why I'm doing all of this by myself, it's because the guys have been in the garage all day working on my car, which I'm super grateful for. And I actually don't mind the solitary time of putting everything away and getting our home reset for the new year. And of course, Austin is here with me to keep me company. Our tree comes apart in 3 sections, so I borrowed an idea from my mom, which was to wrap each section individually in sheets, because that's a lot easier to get into the storage area than a big box. I used a king-size pillowcase for the top and the other 2 sheets for the middle and bottom section, and I felt a little bit like the Grinch as I wrapped everything up and took it away. I tied up each section tightly with ribbon, and this way I can easily get each part up into the attic area that we have upstairs. And I see as I'm editing this that it looks like I might have 3 small body bags, but they're actually wrapped up really secure. I like this better than wrapping things in plastic where the branches can poke through, and it'll be easy to get down next year when I'm ready to set up for Christmas all over again. And now to take care of all the things that fell on the floor while I was removing decorations. And because Austin has been pent up inside, not wanting to spend much time outside in the rain, he is full of energy and ready to play with a vacuum. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. I hope it gave you some great motivation to start your 2021. If you're new here, I want to invite you to subscribe. It's easy and absolutely free. All you have to do is click on my picture. Thank you so much for spending your time with me here today. I look forward to hearing from you in the comments and, of course, seeing you in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful week.